Back on the 57 Ford, the chassis swap's moving along. So far the Explorer's been the perfect chassis with the one exception, it's too long. We knew this going into it, measuring both trucks, but we tried to just live with this illusion that we could make it work, and I couldn't. Wheels in the tires, and they just didn't fit right. I get it, a lot of people can pull it off and they can live with it. I can't. That being said, today's the day. We're gonna cut this frame in half. I'm gonna try to step notch it where I can actually lower the suspension by raising the frame in the back when we put it back together. I've never done it, but I might as well try, right? I mean, I'm gonna have it in 2 pieces anyway, so what's the point in being normal? In addition to doing this fab work on the Explorer chassis, we're gonna announce who won the ArcCaptain giveaways, get those things shipped out to you, and then also we're gonna say goodbye to a good old friend. Okay, so here's the technical stuff. The 57 wheelbase is 110 inches. That's industry standard for the short beds. The Explorer chassis is 113.7 inches. So while that maths out to 3.7, I'm gonna cut it 3.6 inches. Gives me a little room to grow. What does that mean exactly? That's Mugg math for I'm gonna cut this by hand and probably gonna screw it up within a 1/16 of an inch. Things first, let's figure out where to cut it. I'm gonna go back from this brace. Looks like a straight point. Not gonna put much thought into that, just send it. If I was gonna cut this and weld it back together flush, I would definitely step it like you've seen us do with Mary Jane and with the Bronco Vic. Since I've lowered the front and haven't addressed the rear and don't necessarily wanna get into this IRS geometry, I'm gonna stagger the frame when we put it back together. Okay, so I cut out some brace plates on the plasma machine for both sides that mimic the new shape of the frame. It's substantially thicker than the other, and I'm just going to do the insides on both. Here we're just tying in the top and bottom pieces. I just seamed them and hammered the parts down until they touched the tops of the frame. Okay, now we're just doing the bottom the same way. Welding the sides, and then there's a plate that connects from the joint to the bottom of the frame rail. If you want to know the truth on why I didn't pick this up taller, it's because it gives me the heebie-jeebies. You can see the orange strap keeping the back of the chassis strapped to the lift. Okay, so the frame's done. I'm gonna go in the house, start editing. I'm kind of geeking out because it almost looks like the fuel tank still might fit. I would have to change where the center cross member is to match the mold in the tank. And I would also have to reroute the passenger side exhaust, but there's a chance. It's definitely worth looking into. If that can fit, that's a big deal, because then the only thing you really have to change is the drive shaft, and who knows? Maybe that fits. I don't know. We'll look at it. I don't know. I doubt it, but who knows? I've seen crazier stuff happen. And then one other thing I want to mention, yesterday was kind of bittersweet for us here in Mugg Customs. We sold Mary Jane. So pretty big day today.
Will it start?
So I think we're gonna go drive this thing. It's got insurance, so be responsible. Don't do any of this knucklehead stuff. It's not tagged yet, but that is the tag that came on it. So hopefully if we get pulled over, they'll just be...
That doesn't make any sense.
Cool.
We're insured, but not registered.
Well, I mean...
Don't do that.
I'm not gonna out of pocket anybody else. How about that? Keep your errors to yourself, is I guess my point. And you do your own risk. But we're gonna go drive it, film some stuff. Hopefully it makes it back in success.
And one piece.
In one piece. Or at least parts we can put in the bed.
What's going on?
Lots of gravel.
Ah.
Take care of your next owner, please. Hey David, it's supposed to rain this weekend, so we'll put wipers on Mary Jane. Here you
Wiper.
go. You can put those on for me. I gotta get back in the shop.
Should I get some wax first too?
Nah, you're
no,
good.
Just
yeah.
Rain-X?
Those wipers are amazing. You'll be fine. So it's easy to get sad or down about it, but I'm actually excited and happy for Jesse. Jesse is the gentleman that bought the truck. Him and his family came up on Saturday. We did the deal, and he left a happy camper. And, well, now it's gone. Real quick, giveaway time. Let's announce the winners. These winners were selected by a random generating winner formula thing that somebody smarter than me helped me create. So the winner of the grinder and mug merch is number 14 of 105, which happens to be Joseph Penny. Again, that's Joseph Penny. I'd like to congratulate Joseph on his amazing accomplishment. The second winner of the helmet, the auto darkening helmet and the mug merchandise setup is entry number 42 of 68, none other than Sean Brownson. Sean Brownson. Again, congratulations to both of you. Hopefully there'll be many more after this week. I'm gonna take a break off, regroup, try to figure out a way that's actually funner to do this, and we'll get back on it next week. That being said, if you've got a way to give away this stuff that's funner than what we did and maybe actually increases some visibility on my end, on Mug Customs, put it in the comments. Let me know how you do it. We're trying to grow our Facebook page. It's growing really fast, so if you're not following us over there, head over there and do that for me. Instagram and TikTok as well, but unfortunately I don't really do well over there. I don't understand. I don't really know. I don't have the time to invest in it, I think, and we're gonna try. Anyway, thanks guys. Appreciate the entry. I appreciate the interest from all you guys. Who knows, maybe at some point I'll be able to give everybody something. As always, special thanks to ArcCaptain for always supporting the channel and for giving us this kind of stuff so we can make this thing happen. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a cool grinder or a helmet to give away. It'd just be nothing but ratted old t-shirts. And if you're not a lucky person and you think you just need to go buy this stuff, click the link in my description below and I'll save you some money that route. You're not going to be disappointed. So tune in next week, see what else is for sale. Thanks, Jesse.